जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Andariki Namaskaram. I wish to begin my speech at this historic session. As Prajakavi, Batma Vibhushan, late Shri Kaloji Narayana Rao Garu wished, Moodu Kotla, Meti Prajala, Gontu Kokati, Kori Kokati, Telangana Velasi, Nilichi, Falinchale, Bharatana. My hearty congratulations and best wishes to the Honorable Chairman, Telangana State Legislative Council, and Honorable Speaker, State Legislative Assembly, and the Honorable members of the Legislative Council and Assembly. My congratulations also go to the Legislative Assembly members who won the recently concluded elections with the people's affection and support and who have assumed their duties.